Welcome back to our channel released on Netflix. Let's start the video now. For anybody who's bumped out the chilling adventures of Sabrina's, Part 4 is the ultimate installment of Netflix's witchy comedian adaptation. We have proper information for you. The very last season packs approximately 3 or 4 seasons, a really well worth of magic, mayhem and eldritch horror into the show's ultimate go-round, making sure that we get our fill earlier than its presuming conclusion. Once again, it is as much as Sabrina Spellman, and if you have been paying attention, her mystery devil who changed into born out of a time loop of the give up of the 0.33 season to shield her friends, family and the maximum crucial location within inside the universe, which simply takes place to be the small metropolis of Greendale. In the ultimate moments of the season 3, the nefarious Father Blackwood, Richard Coyle, livid at his former witch coven for turning their backs each on him and on the all-male deities. The Greendale coven worships Hecate, the 3-in-1 now, unleashes the eldritch terrors upon Greendale, Lovecraftian horrors including the uninvited, the returned, and my favorite, the weird, that came from deep in the cosmos to wreak violence upon the mortal world. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Sabrina Karen Shipka is now Sabrina Spellman, the Sabrina who lives on Earth together along with her aunties and their coven, and Sabrina Morningstar, the Sabrina who has general her future as Queen of Hell and lives within inside the underworld together along with her father Lucifer, Luke Cook, and her lover Caliban, Sam Collette, the strong-jawed villain from the ultimate season. As a laugh little detail, the two put on a black scarf and a pink scarf respectively to inform them apart. Despite it being one of the maximum famous indicates of the platform, Netflix introduced past due ultimate year that chilling adventures of Sabrina might be coming to and give up with season 4. It's tragically a trend for Netflix indicates to give up after 3 or 4 seasons, and now no longer even Sabrina should break out the curse. There had been even plans for what Chilling Adventures of Sabrina Season 5 might have appeared like. But despite a devastating collection finale and no continuation for the TV show, Chilling Adventures of Sabrina Season 5 is simply happening. Kind of. Given that magic has not been a gift detail on Riverdale, it is feasible that this could be Chilling Adventures of Sabrina's very own take on the characters. This would not be the primary time that a style collection has preserved in comedian form, with indicates like Smallville and Buffy the Vampire Slayer having carried out that with tremendous success. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.